With Lincoln Electric, get the right tool for the job every time. The handy MIG welder's portable design and compatibility with household outlets give you the flexibility to weld virtually anywhere, making it exceptionally useful for around-the-house DIY jobs. With 4 output ranges, it has the versatility for home repair and hobby projects on mild gauge steel found around the house, from 24 gauge to 1/8 inch thick. We've even thrown in a handy reference guide to help you match the power output to the metal you're working on. So even if you're new to welding or just need a cheat sheet, you're always ready to go. This baby's fan-cooled for a long life of welding by your side. And it's built to handle both MIG and gasless flux-core jobs. Right out of the box, you'll find just about everything you need to get welding. This kit includes a welding gun with a cold contactor safety feature that keeps the wire electrically cold until you pull the trigger. Other accessories include sample wire spools, a flux-core nozzle, a MIG nozzle and regulator, a chipping hammer and brush, and a hand shield for face protection. For the best in versatility for your at-home welding projects and repairs, trust the Handy MIG.
Made the devil run. I gave him poison just for fun. I had one friend, now there's none. I made the devil run. I broke so many bones, but none of them